Right there, stop.
Stop leaning on me, I'm in pain.
You're not going to be biting, you're not going to be
I wasn't trying to move, you're leaning all your weight on me and you're fat,
because you've been fighting the whole time.
You don't want to lay down.
Knock it off.
Trouble breathing, you don't want to lay down.
On October 30th, 2024, Northbrook Police responded to a report that quickly escalated into a high-risk encounter at the Northbrook Court Mall.
Already on him, but he won't release the other one. Yeah, he's detained. I'm going to put cuffs on him.
Body camera footage shows the arrival of officers to a scene of active resistance outside a retail establishment.
Give me your hand now.
Go ahead. Do what you gotta do.
Give me your
Do
hand.
what you gotta do, bro.
You want me to tase you?
Oh, go ahead. Yeah, that's how big
I don't
you are.
want to tase you. Whatever, man. Get your hand. Give me your hand now.
Yeah.
The individual being restrained was clearly struggling and repeatedly communicated his distress.
Get down. Bro, what are you doing? Dude, it's the police, man. This is the police. I'm going to tase him. He's going to tase you. He's going to tase you. Hey, dog.
Oh, yeah, you hit like a You hit like a Right there, that's the That's the
Pull that back.
guy.
Pull that back. Put that back.
Tough guy. Tough guy. You hit like a
A taser was deployed to subdue the subject, and an officer acknowledged inadvertently shocking himself during the process.
Bro, why are you doing this? Come on.
Come on, hit me again.
I'm not.
Yeah, I know, because you already did excessively. Shoot already.
You gotta stay right there. Stop.
I can't breathe!
Nothing's coming through.
I can't breathe!
Stop resisting.
Help!
Expedite my back.
Help! Put all the pressure on my chest. I can't inhale all the way.
You can breathe.
But not good. I'm gonna faint. Help!
You can breathe.
Help!
You can breathe, bud.
Help!
23.
I got a concussion. I'm getting punched for no reason.
Yeah, this is Gordon. I crossed over. Me and my man, you guys want to step it up and send out here.
Yeah, they're on their way.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I'm faint. Okay.
Yes.
Get your weight off of me,
On
man.
the run red.
Help!
Supervisor.
I can't breathe. Oh my God, help!
Stop resisting.
You guys arm on my neck. Oh, there's weight on my chest. Help! Help! Ah! I can't breathe. Oh, God. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Stop resisting.
Help me! Help! Help! Help me, please!
He's not.
Oh, oh, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh, I can't breathe. Help.
Sorry, get your taser ready.
Help me!
You're gonna listen to us, right? Okay?
You move on to tase you, alright? Understand that?
I'm gonna pull it off.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Hold on, I got it.
Yeah, we have to.
I'm gonna
He's got handcuffs.
Come on, man. It's unnecessary.
His fucking hand. Shut up. Give me the other hand.
I can't breathe. Help!
60 advisor,
Stop
standing
it.
location.
Stop resisting.
50 years old. Help!
Stop resisting.
Well, you're being 50. Like I'm supposed to just allow you to hurt
Give
me.
me your hand now.
Alright, I got him. It was one cup.
Get in there.
They're getting on control now. 10-4, thank you.
Come on, I can't breathe.
We're good.
Get off my chest.
He's got our gun.
Stay in my car. There. On your side. Let's go. You got a weapon on you? Huh? His what?
He's got our dude.
Okay. These?
Yeah, those and then
You got a weapon on you? Sit up.
Head injury. Oh, no help.
Take the ring to ambulance, please.
Just punched for no reason.
Flat 4.
You did. You know why? Because you were resisting me, so I punched you.
Hurts when you do that!
Get up.
You're hurting me.
Get up.
You're hurting
You're
me.
standing up.
I can't stand up.
You want to sit down then? Cross your legs.
My shit can't cross my legs. I got 4 pair of jeans on, guys.
Yeah, it's our jeans, so yeah.
Goofy ass.
You guys good?
It's gonna be a while. Taser went off.
Taser deployed.
Yeah. Where's the taser at?
In your car.
Okay.
Keep the cuff off my fingers. Not the one on my wrist, the other one. Please.
What's that?
Take the second cuff off my fingers.
Sorry, in the background, you're advising a taser was deployed.
I've got 2 pair of cuffs right here, right?
I know you do.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
What's your name?
What's hurting you right now?
Okay. I'm lightheaded.
Okay.
Feel like I got
Oh, stay up.
I'm getting punched 4 times.
Okay.
I didn't swing at him.
Okay.
I might have resisted, but I didn't get defensive.
Okay.
My neck's hurting bad now too. We can't even get the cuff off. It was so tight.
Okay.
Put your hand out. Can you put your fingers out?
I can't move my hands.
So you can get this. Sean, the clock.
Now my chest.
Which cuff? This one?
I know, this one. See how it's doubled?
Okay.
Get that off. Huh? What's that?
Whatever, bro. You don't want to hit me. I didn't have
You're
to
the one
punch in
fighting.
the head 4 times.
Yeah, well,
I was
you
wrestling.
fight.
I didn't swing at you.
Yeah.
You can't just wrestle. Punch like a girl anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's really Northbrook.
Who's got these? Right, there's. You're staying right there. Stop.
Stop leaning
All
on
right?
me. I'm in pain.
You're not going to be biting. You're not
I
going to be
wasn't trying to
fighting
move. You're leaning all your weight on me and you're
Because
fat,
you've been
bro.
fighting the whole time.
You don't want to lay down.
Knock
If
it
you're having
off.
trouble breathing, you don't want to lay down.
I don't want him leaning on me either.
Okay. Okay. You don't want to be laying. You don't want to be laying down. Okay.
Flat 4. Anyone else coming from Zone?
I don't know what we have anymore.
Yes, I think so.
They took our.
Hey man, what's your name?
Okay. Fine. Figure it out.
Is this you?
Yeah, I believe this inside like a door.
Are your keys in here?
Alright, well, we got
Punch in the head 4 times. No, I can't.
Huh?
I can't.
Okay, lean against me if you need to. Alright? What hurts, bud?
Head,
Okay.
chest.
You good?
send a message. Go ahead.
He's inside Washington. Is this you, Tony?
Yeah.
Go ahead and move it.
Yeah, go ahead. The keys are in there.
You guys searching?
What's it? No.
Oh. You guys searching it?
No.
No.
Brought my taser out, went to go tase him, he resisted, I shocked myself, and then to get compliance I started striking him.
On the dashboard?
Stay up on me. Stay up on me. Okay, what if I help you? Saying he doesn't know if he can stand up.
We was trying to stun the taser. He was fighting, and he was struck a couple times.
I don't know his name. The jeans that he took are underneath those pants. He's wearing them.
Hey man, what's your name?
You have hand sanitizer? I know, they just want a little on me. Huh?
You want to wash him instead?
Yeah.
Is this you?
Yeah, my taser's inside on the floor.
Are your keys in here? Let me move it so that we can
Yeah, grab my keys right here. Watch it.
After a prolonged physical struggle, the suspect was secured and transported to a detention facility. The incident highlights how a seemingly routine call can turn into a complex and dangerous situation for police.